So do most of your friends that you might ride with have gaited horses or not?
The only person I would really ride with has a gaited horse. She has a Rocky Mountain horse. She lives a neighbor.
Okay.
But her horse is, she has some training issues too. She just needs miles.
Right.
And the rider's very green. She didn't start to ride till she was 50.
Wow.
So, and she's very athletic and very brave.
Mm-hmm.
But, and I would love for us to be able to go to the game lands together.
Yeah.
So, and she needs a horse that has a calming influence.
Yeah.
Because her horse is very easily excited.
Mm-hmm.
And she's the only horse that ever seems to have a temper tantrum when she
He works a little better. He can riding with